students, we are in MSET mathematics and we are in differentiation. This is I think 8th class, okay, 8th class in differentiation, 1B chapter 9. In this class we are going to finish 4 questions from question number 29 to 32, okay. Let us see what are those questions. This is also JEE question. I think 2 questions already we have done in last class, and this is also JEE question, JEE 2003 question. See what they have given. If f of x is equal to x into e power minus of 1 by modulus x plus 1 by x. See, this is modulus. Okay. For x is not equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, automatically function is 0. Okay. See, f of 0 is equal to 0 means when x is equal to 0, function is 0. When x is not equal to 0, then this is the function like that. And 4 answers they have given, but if I write all those answers, I think 50% of the board is going to occupy. That is why I have not written. Only main answer I have written. F is continuous for all x, but not differentiable at x is equal to 0. That means, see, this function is continuous only for all values of x, but at x is equal to 0, then this is not differentiable. Okay, that we will see how it comes and all. Okay, see, hint they have already given in answers x is equal to 0 like that. Then what we do? First we will see continuity. Why? Because it is continuous, we will show. Okay, continuity. Limit we will apply at 0 minus 0 plus. Automatically if 0 minus is equal to 0 plus, then this is continuous like we can write. Same value comes. After we will see differentiation. Okay. Let us proceed. See, for continuity what I am writing for continuity. Observe carefully. For continuity. For continuity. Okay. You see, limit x tends to 0 minus. We will see. First, after 0 plus also we will see. 0 minus x into e power minus of 1 by modulus x plus 1 by x is equal to. Okay. See, 0 minus means what we are going to give. See, we are going to apply 0 only, but 0 minus means naturally when x is at 0 means negative. Negative. That means, see, shall I take this as a negative number? Okay, this is going to become positive, but this is going to become negative. Okay, that you have to understand. Okay, see what I want to write. See, 0 minus means, shall I write minus x into e power minus of 1 by x. Because modulus is there. See, minus 0 minus means negative number, negative x will be there, but modulus is going to become in place, but this is going to become negative. You understand the logic? Okay. What will be that? That is equal to, you see, minus x whatever it may be, but here if you observe 1 minus x minus 1 minus x, 0. Minus 0 will not be there. 0 means 0, e power 0. Okay? E power 0. Understand? Okay. Now 0 minus means, see, until now we have seen what we can say, process. But now you apply automatically. Until here we will apply this limit x tends to 0 minus only. Okay? Limit x tends to 0 minus. Now we will apply. Now there is no limit. You have applied limit like 0 minus means 0 only. How to apply? 0 into e power 0, that is equal to 0. Even though this is 1, this is going to become 0. Okay? Now this value is 0. Okay, now go back for 0 plus. Limit x tends to 0 plus I am showing x into e power minus of 1 by modulus x plus 1 by x is equal to. Limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means automatically this is positive number, positive x. X will be there, positive x, not minus x. And e power minus of, you see, positive x means both are going to become 1 by x only. Okay? 1 by x plus 1 by x. That is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus x into e power minus 2 by x. Why? Because LCM is x, 1 plus 1, 2 by x. This shall I take like this, you see, limit x tends to 0 plus, okay, x by e power 2 by x. Okay, that also we can take. Why? Because minus means we can take in the denominator. There 0, that is why you need not bother, but here not 0. Okay. Now, you tell me now, I am going to apply limit. Limit means you see 0 by, even though 0 plus 0 minus, application of limit is 0 only, that we know very well. E power infinity. Why? Because 2 by 0 means infinity will come. Automatically 0 by infinity. 0 by infinity means 0 only, not infinity. 1 by 0 is infinity, or something by 0 is infinity. Okay? Now 0. Now you tell me, left hand limit, right hand limit, LHL equal to RHL. Therefore, the function is continuous at x. Are all 0, all values. Why? Because see, at 0 they are giving, see, fx is continuous for all x, they are telling. At x is equal to 0 also we have seen, and remaining areas also automatically it will be continuous. Why? Because see, negative if you take any number it will be continuous. Positive if you take any number it will be continuous. Okay? Like that you have seen clearly. Negative number you have seen, negative. Positive number you have seen, positive. That means this function is continuous at all values. Function f is continuous. Why? Because we do not see any other number. Continuous at all values of x. Okay? F is continuous at all values of x. Okay, now you go for differentiability. See, for continuity, for differentiability, see, continuity is over. I am going to remove this, then we will do again for differentiability. Okay? See, a small mistake I have written. The function is continuous for all values of x, but not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Not differentiable with x. Okay? Not differentiable at x is equal to 0. See, for differentiable at x is equal to 0 at any value. See what I am writing for differentiability again. For differentiability. For differentiability at x is equal to a. At x is equal to a, observe carefully. At x is equal to a, if it is differentiable, then what we are going to write? We are going to write f dash f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Okay? This is the formula at differentiable at x is equal to a. But at x is equal to 0 means what will come here? This is going to come f of x minus f of 0 by x minus 0. Why? Because x is equal to 0. Now we want to show this. Okay. Now let us see. Why? Because see, here f of x means what will come? F of x means this only, implies x into e power minus of 1 by modulus x plus 1 by x. Okay? Minus f of 0 value, just now we have seen both are zeros only. 0 by x minus 0. Okay? Now see, now we will apply limit. Why? Because see, again we will apply 0 plus 0 minus. Okay, see, limit 0 minus x into 0 minus means what will come? This is going to become negative again. Minus x e power minus of, even though minus it is going to become plus only, but this is going to become minus. But here again minus x will come. That is the specialty in this differentiability. See, earlier only continuity we have seen, denominator x was not there. That too particularly not only x. If at all x is not equal to 0, if x is something is there, means that something also will come x minus. Here also that something will come x minus a. F of a x minus a. But here that is not the case. X is equal to 0 we want to show. That is why x minus 0 is 0 only. X minus 0 is x only. Minus x minus 0 also minus x. Here also minus x we are taking. Why? Because 0 minus means negative. That is why this is negative. That means what will come here? See, minus x is going to get cancelled out. That means you see limit x tends to 0 minus. This is where you write x tends to 0. 0 minus. Okay. X tends to 0 minus. Okay. E power plus 1 by x minus n by x. Simply 0. Why? Because the minus 0 will not be there. Simply 0. That means what will happen? Without application of your x itself, it has become 1. Why? Because e power 0 is 1. That means this value is 1. What is this left hand limit? 0 minus means. Now I am going to see right hand limit. Okay? Right hand limit I am seeing. Limit x tends to 0 plus. See, this is for differentiability. That is why this formula we are taking. Here plus x will come, okay? E power minus of. See, if at all plus 1 by x plus 1 by x will come, there is no problem. Okay? Divided by, see, minus 0 I am not writing again. Okay? Why? Already we have seen continuity. Again here also plus x will come. Now you cancel these two, plus x and plus x. Okay? Again limit only you apply, x tends to 0 plus. Now you tell me e power minus 2x. E power minus of 2 by x. Okay, what is this actually? Limit x tends to 0 plus 1 by e power 2 by x. Now I am not writing limit. Why? Because I am applying this 0. Why? Because 0 plus or 0 minus, if you apply 0 only out apply. Here why you have not applied? Before application constant has come. That is why we did not apply limit. Okay, directly it has come. Now if you apply automatically e power infinity. That means e power infinity means infinity. 1 by infinity means 0. Okay, now you tell me here at x is equal to 0, LHS is 1, RHL is 0. LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, this function is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. F is not differentiable at x is equal to 0. Understand this peculiar question? Why? Because see, normally any function is differentiable means function should be continuous. Unless continuity, there is no differentiability. First thing. But whether all functions, whether those are continuous or are differentiable, no. Some function, even though they are continuous, we have seen left hand, left hand for continuity, those are okay. But on differentiability, some functions may not be differentiable, even though those are continuous. This is the concept you have. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 30. MSET 2019 question. See, three conditions they have given this function. X is less than or equal to 1, ax plus b. X is greater than 1, but less than or equal to 2, ax square plus c, this function. Equal to 2 but greater than 2, dx square plus 1 by x. See, b is there here. Okay? Now, this function is differentiable like they are telling. Function is differentiable. Okay. If it is differentiable, it means automatically all continuous. Continuous means at 1 and 1 both have to match. That is also we know. Okay. That means, see, continuous means may not be differentiable, but differentiable means it should be continuous. Now they are asking, what is the value of AD minus BC? How you are going to find AD minus BC? A, B, C, D. These are coefficients. Those coefficients we have to find. Let us find it. Okay, let us find it. Okay, see, they are clearly mentioned differentiable means these are continuous. Continuous means how can we see at x is equal to 1 this formula and at x is equal to 1 this formula, it has to match. Then we will see. At x is equal to 1 implies, you see, ax plus b is equal to ax square plus c. Okay, continuous means it has to match, na? Okay, greater than means 1 plus, less than means 1 minus, less than 1, greater than 1. Okay, continuity. And now you see x is equal to 1 means automatically what will come? A plus b is equal to a plus c. Why? Because I have substituted 1, a into 1, a. 1 square, 1 into a. Okay, then shall I write b is equal to c? This you take as equation number 1. Understand? Why? Because a going to get cancelled out, b equal to c is your this thing. Okay, now come back. Now same at x is equal to 2 also you see. 2 minus 2 plus. Okay, write down. At x is equal to 2 implies, you see, ax square plus c is equal to dx square plus 1 by x, or else 2 we have to substitute to 4a plus c is equal to 4d plus 1 by 2, or else you cross multiply. 8a plus 2c is equal to 4d plus 1. This you take as equation number 2. Okay, these are mentioned for continuity. Now we will see differentiable also they are telling, and differentiability also we will see. See, differentiability at x is equal to 1. You see, d by dx of ax plus b is equal to d by dx of ax square plus c. Why? Because the differentiable also they are mentioning. I can take like this also. Why? Because the differentiation you do at 1 you have to apply. First you do differentiation, afterwards you apply 1. Okay, you see. Now what will happen? This is d by dx of ax plus b means a is equal to d by dx of ax square means you see 2ax. Okay, but x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, a is equal to 2a. Why? Because a is 1. A is equal to 2a means a will be 0. Understand? A will be 0. Okay? Why? Because see, 2a minus a is equal to 0. A is equal to 0. Like that also we can say. Why? This is not a quadratic equation. 2a minus a. You send a that side. 2a minus a is equal to 0. That means a is equal to 0. Like this I have written this. Okay? Now I want to rub this. Now this is the case for differentiability for 1. What about differentiability at 2? That also we will do. Okay, see, at x is equal to 2 implies d by dx of this ax square plus c is equal to d by dx of, see, shall I write this dx plus 1 by x? Why? Because see, x is there for both. Okay, dx plus 1 by x, comma I am taking dx square by x, dx 1 by x. Okay, and now you see 2ax is equal to 1 d by dx of x 1, sorry, not 1, d. Why? Because d is coefficient here. This is not d by differentiation d, a b c d, that d. Okay, coefficient 1 by x minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by x square. Okay, now apply 2. At x is equal to 2, you see 2 into 2, 4a is equal to b minus 1 by 4. But a value is 0. That means you see b is equal to 1 by 4. Why? A value 0, just now I have found. A is 0 means d is equal to 1 by 4. See how what a and d. Can you find b and c? Definitely we can find. Why? Because see, you go for 2. Once again I will write. Okay. 8a plus 2c is equal to 4b plus 1, or else 8a means a is 0 means this is 0. 0 plus 2c is equal to 4 into 1 by 4 plus 1. Why? Because d is equal to 1 by 4. See, 4 going to get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That means you see 2c is equal to 2. Okay? Then c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1 means go for first equation. B is equal to C. Then B is also 1. Okay? That means your A, B, C, D all values you have got. Now you can find AD minus BC. AD minus BC is equal to A is 0 means this is going to become 0 minus B into C 1 into 1, that is equal to minus 1. Your answer is minus 1. Understand this logic? Okay? See here how we have proceeded this differentiation. This step is very important. Okay? Rather than going for standard formula that f of x minus f of 0 like that, this also we can do. With this question, that experience we will get. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 31, JEE 2008 question. 4 answers are there. I have written only one answer. Why? Because I don't have space. This is the answer. Okay, first let me study the question. That f of x is equal to x minus 1 into sin of 1 by x minus 1. See, x minus 1, x minus 1 math, but this is sin of 1 by x minus 1. If x is not equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, then the value is 0. Okay, then which is true? 4 options they have given. One option is f is differentiable at x is equal to 0, but not differentiable at x is equal to 1. That means we will see differentiable at x is equal to 0, but we will show it is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Okay, see what we will do on that. Okay, see, first we will write f of x is equal to x minus 1 into sin of 1 by x minus 1. Okay, see, u into v, two formulae are there. See, I am differentiating this. F dash x is equal to f dash x. Okay, f dash x, if you apply automatically, what will happen? This sin of 1 by x minus 1 into d by dx of x minus 1 means 1, that is not equal to right, plus x minus 1 into d by dx of sin of x minus 1 cos of 1 by x minus 1. Okay, again what will happen? D by dx of 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square. See, this is multiplication. Shall I cancel this x minus 1 and this square? If I do this, then what will happen? F dash x is equal to, this will happen. You see, that is going to become minus. That means sin of 1 by x minus 1 minus, because here minus is there and one this thing is there. Okay, don't forget. That means you see sin of sin of 1 by x minus 1 into plus minus see 1 by x minus 1. See, square cancelled, 1 x minus 1 will be there, and the cos of 1 by x minus 1. Okay, see, this will be there. Okay, now see, answer they have given 0 and 1. We will see 1 by 1. Okay, see, I am first writing f dash 0. F dash 0, differentiable like that. F dash 0 means you see sin of 1 by minus 1. Why the 0 minus 1 is minus 1? Minus 1, sin of minus 1 is minus sin 1. Minus, you see here what will happen? If 0, if you apply 1 by minus 1 is minus. Minus of minus plus. That means this is going to become plus. This is not required then. Cos of 1 by minus 1. But cos is having minus means plus 1 only. That means cos 1. That means finally what will happen here? See, cos 1 minus sin 1. Okay? Cos 1 minus sin 1. That means this is differentiable. Okay. Now what about? Okay, we see at f dash 0, this is differentiable. We will see f dash 1. F dash 1. F dash 1 means you see f dash 1, whether it is differentiable or not, how we are going to find? Limit extends to 1, f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Okay, so this is differentiable, and we will see if it is differentiable, this should come, but infinity comes means not differentiable, right? Okay, now let us go. that is equal to, you see, limit x tends to 1. F of x means you go directly this one. X minus 1 into sine of 1 by x minus 1 minus f of 1. Okay, f of 1. One minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. But here x minus 1. You see, this is multiplication. Why? Because minus 0 is there. Multiplication means, shall I cancel this x minus 1, x minus 1? Definitely I can cancel. Now if you apply automatically, this is going to become sine of 1 by x minus 1. But here 1 minus 1, that is equal to sine infinity. Not differentiable, not derivatable or differentiable. Understand? That means, see, f is differentiable at x is equal to 0, but not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Like this you can write and close this question. Okay? Let us go for next question. See, question number 32. JEE 2010 question, answer should come minus 1. Let f mapping from minus 1 to 1 open interval to R, real number, be a differentiable function. That means this function is differentiable directly they are telling. We can do differentiation and we can conclude. With f of 0 is equal to 1, minus 1, and f dash 0 is equal to 1. F of 0 is equal to minus 1, f dash 0 is equal to 1 they have given, and g of x they have given. Observe carefully here, this is a complex set. G of x is equal to, see, total square is there, but inside f of 2 of f of x again they have given, f of 2 of f of x plus 2. See, if you go from inside, 2 times of f of x plus 2, this again they have given in f, again totally squared. This is g of x. Now see how I am tackling this question. G dash 0 they are asking. See, g dash x you find first. You see, g dash x is equal to, first entire this I am taking as x square. Okay, x square. X square means differentiation if you do 2 times of x. 2 times of x. Okay, 2x. Again, see, including f, x square. Again, d by dx of x. X means this, d by dx of f of. F means what will have? F dash 2 times of f of x plus 2. Okay. Now x was there, d by dx of x have done. Over now, again d by dx of 2 f of x. 2 f dash x will come. Remember, 2 is going to become coefficient. F of x differentiation means f dash x. 2 is 0, that's all, over. Now, g dash 0 you write. G dash 0 they are asking. You see, g dash 0 is equal to 2 times of f of 2, f of 0 plus 2, okay, f dash 2, f of 0 plus 2, dot 2, f dash 0. Understand? Okay? That is equal to 2 times of f of 0 value they have given minus 1. That means 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. F of 0 value minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Okay? Again dot. F dash 2 into f of 0 minus 1 again. That means the minus 2 plus 2 into 2. F dash 0. F dash 0 value is 1. That means 2 into 1. Okay? Come back. That is equal to 2 times of, now minus 2 plus 2, 0, f of 0. Okay? I think before f dash, this is this one. Okay? Now 2 f of 0 into f dash 0 into 2. That is equal to. So 2 into 2, 4. 4. F of 0 value is minus 1, f dash 0 value is 1, that is equal to minus 4. Sorry, this value is -4, not -1. Okay? Yeah, -4. Now we stop this class. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you very much.